I had recently taken advantage of Apple's iPod Nano replacement program. Apparently the first generation iPod Nano had battery issues that could overheat and potentially explode. So to avoid any problems with that, they just offered to take back your old Nano and send you out a current generation one. They send it, when you fill out your form, they'll send you a box to send your old Nano in. You send that in. And for me, it was within 5 days I got my new Nano. Open it up in here. Comes with some warranty info, just about your serial number and 90-day warranty. I've already opened this, so the packing material is gone. But it's essentially this. Just have this white box here that the iPod is in. And what they send you is the iPod itself, as well as the 30-pin to Lightning adapter. This iPod is designed more as a replacement for your first-gen Nano, so you won't get anything like earbuds or an actual USB to Lightning cable, but you got everything you need to get it to work. You just peel that off, you just power it up, and it works great. I like it. I had my first gen Nano just sitting on my desk for the last however long it was, 6-7 years or so. So this is a pretty sweet deal. I'll include the link to the replacement program, so if you want to, you can go ahead and do that. But I think it's pretty sweet.